I've decided to do some work on the go-kart. There's a few things that need to be fixed up. It is going now. So for a start, it needs a good clean. Then I've got to sort out this fuel tank bracket because it's broken, and make something a bit secure because it keeps coming off. Got to do something with this, make it a bit more secure, make a proper box or something for the kill switch. Also need to do something with my brakes. I want to convert it to a foot brake, so I'm going to have to build something for that. And then those are the main things, and then I'll probably create a proper throttle pedal and get a new cable for it. It kind of just comes out there, and then it's like crimped under the seat somewhere. It also needs the seat to be a bit more secure because the bolts are a bit too short, and it's only bolted on at the front, so it's not very secure. It's come off before. Yeah. So here's the fuel tank. It's made out of a stainless pipe, and had these ends welded onto it, as well as the cap. It was running methanol, but I had too many problems with it, so it's now running just 100 octane with a 10% ethanol, blended with petrol. And yeah, I originally just used some silicone hose that I cut up and put it around the tank, and then used some hose clamps just to attach it to the bracket. That was because I wanted to keep the tank looking nice and didn't want to weld anything to it, but that didn't really work very well, so I'm probably just going to take this bracket off, put a new piece here, and then weld it to the tank so it's mounted solid. I'm going to use a bit of some thicker steel as well. So I couldn't find the other angle grinder with the cutting disc on it, so this here is Brutus. So I've got these. If you didn't know by now, I'm not an engineer, so yeah. So I've created this by just making a groove down the middle to bend it into a bit of a V, and I made a cutout here, and it should just fit like this. So here's what I've got. Should get the job done, I guess. here's the new mounting. It's welded it on at the ends. It's pretty solid now. So I don't have the air compressor here, so I can't do the cleaning today. So I'm going to move on to the switch here. I'm just going to cut it off and make a box and weld that onto the other side. So here's the kill switch. It's in that bracket there. And then I've just run the wires. That'll be it for this video. Next time I'll probably start building this brake pedal and settle that up. And yeah.